Friend, today is the day that we will run our first Java program. It is very excitement for me that we will do some practical, as all the theory makes us bored, nothing more. But theory is very important to do programming correctly and to make our basement. So first of all, let's check what is the flow of a Java program, and then we will write our first Java program. First, we will write our Java program in our text editor. Then we will compile this Java program using Java Development Kit, and our output will be .class extension, which is also known as bytecode. Then we will run our Java program using the JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Input of JRE will be our Java bytecode and output will be printed on the console. So due to this Java bytecode, we can run our Java program on any operating system. What are the steps to write a Java program? First step is to write a Java program and save it in .java extension. This is Java source code and this is our first step. Then we have to compile Java program using Java Development Kit. The command will be Java C, Java compiler, file name .java extension, and output will be .class extension, which is also known as bytecode. Our third step will be to run the Java program, and we will run Java program using JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and as we know, JRE has JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and the libraries, and the command will be Java file name without any extension. Let's start it. Here I have Sublime Text Editor. Go to File and click New File. Here write public class hello world and then pair of curly braces. Save this in .java file hello world.java, and here you can see now the syntax has been changed. Why? Because in tools we have built system Java C, Java compiler. Now we will write our main method. This is the method which is executed when we execute a class. Public static string args. Then we will print a line on the console. So for printing a line, we will write system.out.println print line, and here then double quotation mark, and we will complete this by a semicolon. This is a statement, and here we will write hello world Java, and it will be written on our console. So let's go through it. What we have done? We have written a Java class, and a syntax of class is public class and hello world. So our class is hello world. The name of the public class hello world and file name should be same, hello world.java, and public class name should be same, which is hello world. Otherwise it will be a compiler error. Then we have written a method, and the name of the method is main, and few parameters are before this method. We will go through these parameters in our future lectures. And then we have printed on console using this system.out.println. System is, by the way, built-in class. We will learn about it in our future lectures, and this will be printed on console. Now we will save this. Now go to the location where you have saved it, press shift and right click on it. Select open command window here. Now dir, here you can see we have a class hello world.java. First we will verify that Java was correctly installed. For this, write Java space dash version, and here you can see Java has been successfully installed and its version is 1.8.0_91. Now we will compile it using Java Development Kit, and the command is Java C, Java compiler, HE, press tab. It is hello world.java. Now press enter to compile it successfully and write dir, and great, here you can see that we have compiled it successfully. As you can see, here is our bytecode hello world.class, which is our bytecode, and we have successfully compiled it without any error. Now we will run our Java program by JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and command for running a Java program is Java space file name, which is hello world without any extension. Press enter, and congratulations, you have successfully compiled and run your Java program. And as you can see here, hello world Java is written on the console, which was the parameters we passed to our Java program. And here you can see we have passed this hello world and it has been printed successfully on this console. So it is a great achievement that we have successfully compiled and run our Java program, and it is a first step Now we can do anything we want. We can print any sentence or any word we want, and you should print a lot of sentences using this command. That's it for today's lecture. We will learn more about Java programming language in our future lectures. Thank you.